every day in December. I will be uploading a video for you guys, alright? I'm a few days behind right now, but don't worry, I got you guys. I have all my videos, it's just that I wasn't getting time to edit and upload it for you guys, alright? So just stay tuned and you'll get the video. Some days you guys are gonna get like 2 videos per day, so just look out and keep your notification on, alright? Also guys, it has another YouTuber. Her name is the Guyaneseyoutuber. She's also doing Vlogmas this year. She's uploading videos every day in December as well. This is her channel here. And also I will leave in the description box below her link to her channel, so you guys can go and check her out and tell her that Cooking with Afton sent you guys, alright? So you can go over to her channel, subscribe, and get her channel to 1,000 subscribers, alright? Thank you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my delicious pineapple air fryer wings. Guys, you really need to try this recipe. Trust me, you will love it. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make these delicious pineapple wings, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe. And don't forget, every day in December I will be uploading a video for you guys, okay? And I also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. I would really appreciate it, guys, alright? And all my measurements and ingredients for this delicious air fried pineapple wings will be in the description box down below, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below, and also I'll leave a few of my playlists as well, and you guys can go and check it out, and let's run those numbers out. Thank you. So let's get into the video. Here's my ingredients for my air fried pineapple wings. See you tomorrow, guys. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my air fried pineapple wings. So I have some onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken season, all-purpose season, chicken cubes, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, mustard hot sauce, green season, and garlic sauce. Also I'll be using some coconut oil, and over there are my chicken wings. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but them supermarkets selling some small wings, man. This is what happened to them big wings, like we got chicken shortage or something, man. Anyway guys, so I'm gonna take a big bowl now, and I'm gonna pour my small chicken wings inside of them, and I'm gonna pour some coconut oil inside. Then I'm gonna put my chicken cubes. Then I'm gonna put my onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, mix it together and pour it on top of my wings. Now I'm gonna put my black pepper, chili powder, and paprika. Now I'm gonna put my mustard hot sauce, garlic sauce, and green seasoning. Now you're gonna give it a mix. So now we're gonna put it in some Ziploc bag and leave it in the fridge to marinate overnight. These wings, I'm making 2 different videos with them. So now guys, I took out some of the wings now, and I'm gonna put it into my air fryer. So guys, you gotta look out for another type of wings from me coming up soon. So I close my air fryer, put it to cook for about 12 minutes. So now I'm going to turn it over now on the other side, one at a time. Perfect. So now put it back in the air fryer now and let it cook for about, I think, like 17 more minutes. So now we're gonna make our sauce, guys. So we have some butter there. Let the butter melt. Now we're gonna pour in some pineapple juice. What I did is just put the pineapple in the blender and then pour a little water and just blend it up. Alright, sorry I didn't show you guys that. So now we're just going to pour in some barbecue sauce as well and some sugar. Guys, this was a very late night. I didn't ever like put this stuff them in bowls and stuff. It was a last minute video, guys. So now I'm gonna pour in some mustard hot sauce. Don't worry, all my measurements ingredients I will put in the description box down below. Alright guys, so now I'm mixing up my pineapple sauce. Let it boil for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's finished there. As you can see, it got a little thick and nice. Good, so it finished cooking there now. So I gotta check on my wings. So my wings finished now in the air fryer. So I'm gonna take it out and put it into another bowl. And I want to thank Fiona again for purchasing me this air fryer. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So now I'm gonna pour my nice pineapple glaze sauce on top of the chicken wings. Guys, you really need to try this recipe. You will love it. You will love it. Trust me, you will. Nice. So you're gonna mix it up together now. Mix up the wings and the pineapple sauce. And it's all done there, guys. I'll be eating my pineapple glazed wings with some fried plantain. As you can see there, guys, this is the end results. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. And also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my videos and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Cooking with Afton, guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching my vlogmas. I know I'm a few days behind, but don't worry, I had like a family emergency, so that's why I'm not getting the time to edit my videos. But don't worry, before the month finish, I will finish my vlogmas. Alright, so thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Bye guys.